Hey Broncos! Today we're learning all about the Bronco ID. The Bronco ID is your full BCC email, which is your first name, period, last name at stu.bcc.cuny.edu. Your Bronco ID will provide access to Starfish, Outlook, ePortfolio, OSIS, and the BCC mobile app. To claim your Bronco ID, please go to the Technology Service Center page on the BCC website. On this page, you'll have the option to claim your Bronco ID, reset your password, and change your password. While on campus, you can use your Bronco ID to access the computers and laptops in the computer labs and library. Having tech troubles? You can contact the Technology Service Center by emailing tsc@bcc.cuny.edu. Here are some bonus perks you receive as a CUNY student. First, you receive free Microsoft Office by signing up with your BCC email through the link found on Blackboard. Next, you can also receive a discount on Amazon Prime by signing up with your BCC email, and you can also receive discounts on wireless plans such as T-Mobile and Sprint. All right, Broncos, you're ready to use your Bronco IDs. Thanks for watching.